Hi, did you know that using the sticky tape you can recreate the protective film on devices like this, and you can temporarily protect your screen or your visible part with a simple and cheap sticky film. And that will help you to protect the screen of your kind of not a cheap device on the go, like if you want to use your recorder outdoor to make a field recording. You will probably use your device in a different situation and you can damage or scratch your screen. Today I'm show you how to make the protective film on your screen like this. Here you see the two parts of the films covered the screen of the Zoom H6, and that unit was bought on eBay, just cheap and sticky as well. I cleaned it using my personal technique, and then covered the screen that was previously scratched with this kind of tape to protect it from further damaging, and while doing recording outside in the field I will be sure that the screen will be stay not scratched, not damaged. This film can be easily removed with the nail of your finger and recovered again. So let's start with the process of creating. What do you need to make a film, protecting film for your device as easy to in one or two steps? For this process you need to use a transparent tape, the color you want it, like a little yellowish or a transparent clear. And another thing you need to do is to use a soap, liquid soap. The method I use to put the tape on the screen to protect it is the same as covering the car winds with protective film and clear films, to make it possible to not let the sun shine through the window inside of the car and protect the car from the stolen things and whatever. The same method is applied to the screen of this device. What you need to place the sticky tape on top of the screen and protect it is a little soap, just this amount, and you need to place that soap on top of the screen, just a little enough for the film to move when you place it on top of the screen. That will help you to that will help you to correctly place the film, and in the next step first of all locate the one bottom part of the screen, then stick it and follow the natural process of sticking the film to the left and the right part. Here you can see it is already had a quality stickiness to that. Then what you need to do next is a little movement of your fingers to spread the underneath the sticky or the washing liquid to the left and the right side. Then what you need is a knife that will help you to cut exactly on the border of two sides, like here. You just follow with the move and cut left and right side. I'll show you how I do that in a moment. I follow the natural size of the screen, just letting it be exact the size of the screen size. And when you made the cut, you will be able to easily remove the left and the right part. Like that. And the right part is like that. And now I can remove that part easily. You see, this is how I place the transparent protecting film on top of the screen, just for the sake of protecting the not cheap equipment from damage in outdoors, in other conditions. This is it, the easiest way to protect your screen from scratching. Thanks for supporting me. Take care, guys.